Hi, we're here at the Musikmesse 2015 on the Focal booth with Nicholas. He's going to show us a brand new monitor, the 306 BE. So, Nicholas, whereabouts in the range does this sit then?
Right, so 306 sits in between Twins and SM9s, which is our flagship basically. We developed that monitor in order to precisely answer requirements from modern music producers, electronic music stuff, kind of thing. That's to say, you will get slightly more SPL than SM9 in order to, let's say, be able to crank it a bit louder and make sure that in terms of mix transfer quality, it will sound good even in clubs. So the concept is the following one. We wanted to come out with something more easy to integrate in small rooms or rooms that are not acoustically optimized, where, let's say, SM9s sit more in that kind of real pro studio environment. 306 is very room and acoustically flexible. Why? Because of many reasons. The first one is you can rotate the tweeter and mid-range plate 360 degrees per step of 90 degrees. So you can either position trios vertically or horizontally. This is a very good point. So to start with, when you got trios in your room, first of all, check if they perform better horizontally or vertically. Then on the back of trios, you have EQs, low frequency shelving, high frequency shelving, and 160 Hz EQ to optimize the monitor integration within your room, be it depending on the speaker location in the room or the room acoustic as well. Then they are also front-ported, so you can position them as close as possible from the front wall. You will not face any phase problem in terms of bass frequencies and no bass boost as well. So these are the key points. In terms of design, we use the very best of the Focal patented technologies, such as the pure barriogram inverted dome tweeters, very revealing for tiny details, such as reverb tails and so on. The 5-inch mid-woofer cone is using the W composite sandwich cone technology, optimized damping, rigidity, weight ratio, and the same goes for the 8-inch sub. These are obviously powered monitors, 100 watts class AB for the tweeter, 150 and 200 watts, both class G amplifiers technology for the mid and bass driver.
Class D for these?
Class G.
Oh, class G, right.
So class G, we designed a unique concept based on PWM power supply, but using class AB power stages as well. So it's a very, very good solution because compared to SM9, you optimize the power consumption and the amplifier efficiency thanks to this design. So this is basically one of the key points as well. On the back of Trio, you have XLR input and sensitivity switch, as well as 2 quarter-inch jack connectors. Why? Because 306 is featuring the same technology than the SM9 focus mode. That's to say you have 2 speakers within one box. You can either run the three-way system going from 35 Hz to 40K, or the two-way design, so you will not get the bass driver, you will focus on the two-way design, so this will start from 90 Hz up to 20K. So that will allow the sound engineer to check the mix transfer quality on bass challenge systems without changing the stereo positioning, stereo image, because everything will come from the very same speaker locations, and you will focus, so the name of the technology, on low mids, mid frequencies, and so on. So this is quite useful. And on Trio6, you can now remotely control this function just by using a regular foot switch, latching foot switch.
Oh, right,
so
okay,
that's
cool.
very convenient.
So in terms of the internal construction of it, is it split or?
Yes, actually it's totally sealed. So on the back of this plate, you have a back cover made of ABS and glass fiber in order to avoid passive functioning in between mids and low frequency drivers. This is very useful, especially when you do tracking or when you are composing a track. This is quite useful as well.
So it looks like it weighs a fair amount as well. How heavy are these things?
Yes, weight is about 20 kilograms each, and price point sits exactly in between Twin 6 and SM9s. So it's €2,290 per unit, that included.
Okay, and when are these going to be available?
now. We
Okay.
are currently manufacturing Trio6s, so visit your Focal dealer and you will get all the product demo and information as well.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.
Thanks.